everyone, welcome to my channel, and for today we're opening a mini haul. I always say mini haul because whenever I watch other YouTubers, their hauls are quite big, as in huge. So mine are just tiny tidbits of shopping. It's terribly raining outside, so it's really noisy, and I just wanted to film today because I have low EQ and I want to start using my stuff. So let's move forward to the haul! So I guess we'll be needing a mirror and scissors and of course, mine. Oh, and me. Let's begin. Okay, so I went to H&M and got these two throw pillowcases. So I got one in a black pinstripe and another one in a blue and white pinstripe. Nice. But the real reason I went to H&M were for necklaces, like the choker type necklaces. I realized I have a lot of silver, rose gold, and yellow gold necklaces, the regular length, like 18 inches, 20 inches, but I didn't have those meant to be choker types. I have one, if you recall seeing it in my other videos, I have one that I cut to fit here, but the others weren't so interesting. So I have these two. This is a pack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 choker type silver plated necklaces. Yeah. And this other one is a 3-layered gold type necklace. So we will try them on. What do I want to wear today? Okay, so I'll try this on. Wait. Now I need to use my knees to hold the mirror. Oh wow, it's so shiny. This is super nice. It's so shiny. Look. Look. If you notice, I always wear this rosary on my neck because my mom gave this to me 2 months ago and I wear it as protection, so I never take it off. So if you'll notice, sometimes I'm wearing gold, and that's why I like doing tricolor accessories or jewelry because of this. And then I want to try this one also. Here, I'm already wearing the gold necklace. Wait, let me show you. There. Can you see? It's nice. It's nice. Although, I might take this apart so I can wear them separately because it's so hard to put it on, to untangle it and keep it and store it. So I might take this apart and make individual necklaces out of them. But before we move on, I'd like to wear these first. I decided to wear these for the rest of the episode. See? Nice. This is my other nude. Let's move on to... And let's start with this. A pair of silver earrings. I want to wear it. That's why I didn't wear any earrings yet. So I could wear this now. I wanted to get like long drop earrings, but I couldn't find any. So I settled with these ones for the meantime. They're also nice as well. Look. Here. And then I also got another set of chokers, and this one. It's a 2-piece necklace set. It's rose gold. See? Nice. Love it. And I also made a pair of peach feather earrings. Like, I wore it in one of the videos before. That's why I got this color. Okay, and then next, I've been wanting to get more of these bras. These are Santimo seamless wear. I like experimenting on different brands, different materials, different shapes and forms of underwear. And for bras, I love this. I got one from the grocery, and then when I wore it, I think it's the most comfortable bra I ever wore in my life. Because I stopped wearing bras with underwire, number one. And then when I tried wearing bralettes, they weren't really making a good job. Or I think it's just the cupping was all wrong, or the fabric is too soft, the garter was too flexible. So, but this one is really, really comfortable and nice. So this is Santimo seamless wear. Usually when I get bras or underwear that I do love, I get them in 3 colors: black, white, and skin tone or nude. But for this, they only had skin tone and black. But that will do. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe, hit the like button always, and turn on the notifications bell to know whenever I upload a new video. Okay? I've long been searching. Oh, there's another bra, Wonder Bra. I just got this because it's cute, and it was on sale. It's 70% off. So it's just a basic black sports bra, but I love the straps because it's pink, and then the back part is lace. And then I've long been searching for plain V-necks, that like the basic white shirt or the basic shirt that I can wear with anything and everything. I've gone to almost all the brands, like the high street brands and the other brands like Mango, Zara, but I couldn't find any. Either the fit wasn't perfect, or I didn't like the fabric, or they didn't have V-necks, period. So while I was shopping for underwear, the SA was asking me, what else do you need? And I go, oh, I'm looking for V-necks. So they told me, oh, go to Jockey. So I was thinking, but those are undershirts. And then when I looked at their shirts, they were pretty nice, huh? The quality was pretty nice. And then they were like 3+1. Buy 3, get 1 free. So here I got one white, 2 blacks, and 1 blue. So let me show you the black one. It fits perfectly. It fits perfectly on me. So it's really, really nice there. It's really simple. Unfortunately, they didn't have the other colors available in my size. But okay, fine. My real goal was to get a lot of whites and blacks. The whites, I'm not yet 100% into their white because the fabric is a little see-through. So we'll see. The blacks I love. And then I just got another color there. And then because the fabric of this bra is so comfortable, I decided to try one of their panties. I got one. I'll try it, and then we'll see if I will love it. So that's all. That's all I got. And do we need to a try-on haul for this? I don't think so. Maybe I'll just mention it again when I wear it on my next videos. And now for a slight recap of the things I got. I got some necklaces from H&M. The throw pillowcases from H&M as well. And then some accessories from the department store. the shirts, and the underwear. That's all the stuff I have for today. Till next time, see ya!